Hello everyone, we will be start the inverse trigonometry. It will be part of the differentiation. We can study the basic formula. We already talk about the basic formulas and we will be once again repeat memorize the basic formulas of the inverse trigonometry. Okay, okay friends, we will be revive once. The following respective formulas it will be helped in the solving the problems. Okay, we will be first see the basic formulas. Okay friends, differentiate with respect to sin inverse of x. It will be gives 1 divided by square root of 1 minus of x square. Okay, we will be next another function, trigonometric functions, cos inverse of x. In this formula, as it is sin inverse opposite, like in this sin inverse x differentiate with respect to x differentiate, it will be gives positive, it gives negative. As it is same formula, but we will be change the signs. Okay, next function is tan inverse of x. It gives the formula 1 divided by 1 plus of x square. Okay, as it is same, the another function inverse trigonometric functions, that is cot inverse of x. It gives same formula. In this function, we will be sign will be changed. Tan inverse contain positive and cot inverse contain negative. Only signs will be changed. Be careful friends, and it will be short tricks. Okay, you will be find out the and noticed. Can you move? Shall we move? Next problem. Next formula, like sec inverse x. Differentiate with respect to sec inverse of x. It gives minus 1 x under root of x square minus 1. Okay friends, as it is in this cosec inverse of x. Cosec inverse of x. It will be same as it is, like 1 divided by x square root of x square minus 1. Okay friends, we move the similar problems at basic level. Okay, we will first consider first problem we will discuss, y is equal to sin inverse root x. It have function to function in this form. It will be consider root x is a u. Okay, when consider root x is equal to u, then y become sin inverse u. We will be previous video we will discuss function of function method. That method we conclude function method or sign method. It will be we conclude dy by dx equal to differentiate with respect to y. It will be in the u with respect to u. In this respect to u will be differentiate with respect to x. We will be obtained in this form. Okay friends, it will be converted. It convert into in this form. Okay, we will be move next steps. We will be conclude how can solve the problem. Okay, we consider u is a root x. Okay, y is equal to sin inverse u. You will be differentiate. Okay, first we will be differentiate with respect to u. We get sin inverse of x in the form of sin inverse of x. We get 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, in this form of x we have u. We put u is x put v square, that is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus u square. Okay, in this part. Then we will differentiate with respect to x. The answer is root x. Differentiate formula is 1 by 2 root x. These both are written in the form of, we will first write 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into the du by dx, like 1 by 2 root x. The final answer. Got it? The next problems will be solved and you will be slowly understand the what is the concept. Okay, then we move the next problem. The next problem is second problem. Y is equal to tan inverse log x. Then we consider log x is a u. Okay, then y become tan inverse u. We first, according to methods rule, like dy by dx equal to, first differentiate with respect to u. The next differentiate with respect to x. You obtain the following form. The only one difference in trigonometric, inverse trigonometric function and method to method functions, the name indicates inverse trigonometry. We use also only inverse trigonometry. That's reason it will be called inverse trigonometry. As usual, same as like function of function method or chain rule method. Okay friends, only it will be different in the form of inverse trigonometry. These are the used. It will be in the form of the problem, we will be converted into this form. Okay, then firstly we differentiate with respect to this one and next this one. Okay, we will be see y is equal to tan inverse of u. When it will be differentiate, we get the carefully observe differentiate with respect to u. Okay friends, not x, it will be u. Tan inverse differentiate with respect to tan inverse of x, it becomes 1 divided by 1 plus in the formula x square. In this problem, u will be considered, x will be considered u. It will be form of u square. Okay, next, when we differentiate with respect to like u, when we consider u is equal to log x, when u differentiate, it become 1 by x. It will be right in the form of like dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. We finally obtain the answer. Answer is 1 divided by 1 plus u square into 1 by x. We can write in the form of 1 divided by x 1 plus u square. this form. Okay, obtained in this form. It will be right. We will put the value u value. Then it becomes 1 divided by x 1 plus, when we consider u is equal to log x. Okay, it will become logs whole square. Okay friends, we must and should what will be considered, it will be in the represent in the final answer, then it will be carry. When you not written in this form, you will be cut the 1 marks. Okay friends, be careful what we consider, then it will be put in the final answer. Okay friends, we can move next problem. Okay, let's see the another type of problem. It is y is equal to cos inverse 2x plus 3. As it is methods of method functions, let we consider 2x plus 3 is a u. Then okay, it y becomes to cos inverse u. The according to in this rule, we will be right. First we will be differentiate it. Next we will be go to the u function. Okay friends, then move to the solution. In this we consider u is equal to 2x plus 3. It becomes y is equal to cos inverse u. Okay friends, next we will be differentiate. First we differentiate y. It becomes u properly see with respect to u, not x. It becomes when the cos inverse of x formula is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. It in the not in the form of x. It is in the form of u, and we write u square. Okay, next it is be over. Then we differentiate with respect to u. In this we will write x. In this problem we write u. This is not a different problem, it is a same problem, but I try to you understand step to step. Okay, it's not a different problem, it is a same problem. When it will be differentiate, it will be become 2. Constant is 0. Then 2x is 2 will be constant. It will be outside of the constant. It will become outside. In a differentiate with respect to x is 1. It becomes 2. Okay, we will write in the form. We will be write dy by dx, dy by with respect to du, and du with respect to dx. It becomes only put the in these answers. It will become 1 by 1 plus u square and into 2. Okay, when we consider u is equal to 2x plus 3, in this value you will be put in, then it becomes 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3. Final answer. Okay, okay friends, the final conclusion is he gives any problems, any sort of problems, any type of problems. Okay, then we will be first it will be converted in the basic formula, then it will become the basic formula like trigonometry, and when it will be give function into function, then you use function into function like sine rule. When trigonometry functions, it in the form of when it consider cos inverse of x like 2x, it becomes also same problem, but in the difference is trigonometry, inverse trigonometry functions. When you practiced more, it will be more become easy. Okay friends, it like just when you played game, that form of the only maths. Okay, maths is a not hard subject. It will be every student, we see all result in all polytechnics or PUCs, maths are 100 to 100. Okay, maths is amazing subject. We must learn and practice and follow the basic rules. Okay friends, thank you, and please our channel not our channel, your channel, subscribe, share and like. Thank you friends.